talk about your faults or mishaps, nigga. We from the Bronx, New York, shit happens. Kids clapping, let us spark the place. Half the niggas in the squad got a scar on their face. It's hard, but this is ice.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Tastemaker and I'm back with another video. Okay, I almost messed up, but I caught myself. This lighting right here is lit because the sun is setting and my bathroom is right here. Get into it. Ooh, look at the cut on my brow. Okay, anyway, so today, obviously by the title of this video, I'm about to dye this blonde wig, okay? I received this hair from Recool. I did sew this wig into this looks so funny, but I did sew this wig into a girl, just I don't know. I gotta get my stuff together. But basically I'm about to dye this hair. I'm not really sure how I want to go for it, but I got these three colors. So I got this Kiss color. It's lime green, and lime green is like the color right now. As you guys know, actually a few weeks back I did a lime green hair tutorial, and that was inspired by this Nikki Nicole girl. She had a darker green, but I did like lime green, and it's so funny, like right now it's like a huge trend. SZA recently worn it. Oh my god, I love it. So I have a green, a lime green color, and this is Limelight by Kiss Express. They do have the new Kiss Temptations, which I am really trying to get my hands on, but it's hard to find. Like I'm not finding it anywhere in the beauty supply store, and I'm looking online and no one really has it. Anyway, the other color that I'm going to be using is this Adore color here. This is a color Sky Blue. Got a little message. Yeah, but this is a color Sky Blue. Now, the color in this bottle really isn't the color that you get, so I'm going to show you guys a sample that I did so I can get a gist of all the colors. The final color that I got is this pink color. This is Pink Petal. It's like similar to my shirt, but even this is just really not, I don't know. So these are the three colors that I got. I'm thinking about doing like an ombre bob situation, but I'm going to put the wig on for you guys so you guys can see. Now when I say this looks like a 1990s mullet, like a wrestler's mullet. What is that guy who used to like I'm gonna just show y'all. Look, okay. it's just ridiculous. Like rolling down the river. Tell me I don't look like Tina Turner or something with this wig. It's ridiculous. It really looked like a mullet. Now I'm gonna tell you why. I'm gonna tell you why the hair looks like this. The hair looks like this because they told me that they sent me a 12-inch frontal, but this is definitely like 10 inches. Like this is not 12 inches for sure. Like this, I don't know. So there's like certain parts of the hair, and it's just like this is not 12 inches right here. This is 10 inches on its best day. This is 10 inches on its best day. So I don't really like that. That's one of the cons for it. And then to me, I don't know, it seems like the frontal is actually really dry compared to the bundles. Like you can see a difference. These are the bundles. Bundles are nice and silky, and then this is the frontal. It looks fried. You know what I mean? So I'm not really a big fan of the frontal per se, but once we like style it and everything, we'll see like what the wig is giving us. I'm thinking about doing just like a simple middle part bob, like a shorter bob, since this top half is like not trying to be my friend or whatever. So I'm thinking about cutting it like right around here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my mannequin, and then I'm gonna cut it before I dye it. I did like this sample piece right here. So this is like what I'm going for, but we'll see like how it turns out. Be something like that. Yeah, I don't know. I wish you guys were here so you guys can just tell me what you guys think. but this is a sample piece that I did. Anytime that I dye blonde hair, I always make sure that I do my sample piece, especially when I'm not sure like on a color, or if I want to see like how vibrant the color is or isn't. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get into this tutorial because I've been talking too much, so let's get into that. So I went ahead and I wet the wig. Anytime you are gonna cut hair like I'm about to do, you want to make sure that you cut the hair wet. I went ahead and wet the wig, and it's not like soaking wet, it's just damp, you know. Okay, so I am going for a middle part look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and part the wig how I want it to be. Looking at it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the longest length, like however long this front part goes. I'm going to see how long this goes, and then I'll cut from there. And hopefully I can get this symmetric. Okay? Okay. Okay, and I want the bob. I know you guys are like, dang girl, hit all in the camera. So I want the bob to be blunt. So that's why I cut this straight across. Normally, you know, you would cut differently, but I want this to be all straight across. So that's what I did here. It's a blunt cut bob, and I don't have clippers. Normally you would do this with clippers, but I don't have any, so we're just making it do what we do with what we got. You feel me?
If I was your woman, the things I do to you, but I'm not, so I can't and I won't. But if I was your girl.
feel very extra, obviously, with this hair, but I'm getting like My Little Pony vibes. I'm getting like, I don't know, I look like something that'll come out of like Willy Wonka's like chocolate factory. So this hair was sent to me from Recool. They're a very popular Aliexpress company. Like many other Aliexpress companies that I review, I love to review them to see what all the hype is about, because very popular YouTubers have tried out this hair and have had good things to say about it. And to me personally, if a company's blonde hair is exceptional, then I feel as though their regular hair will be just as exceptional, because blonde hair is so hard to get right. Now I have in a 12-inch frontal, and then I have 3 bundles of 14. I didn't fit all 3 bundles in, as you guys know, I hardly ever do, but I did fit about 2.5 bundles in, and I had a little bit left over, and I was happy about that, because whenever you are coloring blonde hair, you want to make sure that you have something left over, so that way you can use that as test strands when you want to figure out what kind of colorway you want to go with, or just to see like how the overall color will look, even if you already know what colorway you want to go with. One thing that I really like about this hair is that I've noticed with blonde hair, you can always tell whether or not some hair is going to be good or bad when it's blonde when you wet it. When you wet the blonde hair, that's how you know whether or not this hair is going to be good. This hair was not stringy, it did not tangle at all. It was nice even when I let it dry, and I just rinsed it out and let it dry. It didn't get tangled at any point in time. Even now, as you guys can see, I can just run my finger through this hair. There is very minimal shedding with this hair, if any shedding at all. This hair was shipped to me via FedEx, if I'm not mistaken. One thing that I really like about this company is that they gave me a lot of free goodies when I did get my order, and I always love free stuff. Who doesn't love free stuff with their hair order? So I'm going to share that with you guys now. So the hair was sent to me in this bag, but inside of the bag was this cute pink box that says Recool on it, has their company name and their company logo. And then one thing that I like not only is this box pink, but the font is like a metallic pink font, and I'm really in love with it. I absolutely love this hair that came in here. But this is the bag that it came in, and I got a lot of free goodies, which I am excited about, because girl, who doesn't love free stuff? So the first free thing that I got were these flexi rods. I've gotten quite a bit of these now. They're usually around this same size too, so maybe I'll flexi rod my hair one of these days. I've tried to flexi rod my hair on multiple occasions and it just never comes out right, so I never really bother with that. Then I got this little baggie here that comes with like a lot of stuff in here. I don't know. Okay, so inside of this pouch I got some clips, like 4 different clips, which I am going to love. Like, they're different colors. I have this orange one, a purple one, a lime green one, and a pink one. It kind of matches my hair. So yeah, I got some free clips, which I can always use clips, so happy about these. And then it has a little powder puff, like a little beauty blender type of thing. I'll probably never use this. Maybe I'll use it to like do like my eyeshadow when I put like my concealer on. The next thing that they gave me was a little mirror, which I'm happy about, because I always need a mirror. Everybody needs a little pocket mirror like this to go in their purse. So this is perfect, and it's like a little jewel. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's really cute. It's a jewel. So this is perfect when you're doing touch-ups on the go. I love this. I'm gonna actually put this in my bag now. Another thing that they gave me, of course, is eyelashes. Almost every company gives you eyelashes. And then they also gave me a net. So girl, the bag, it just keeps going. Other than that, they have this pamphlet here, this Recool pamphlet, and it just has a lot of instructions on the hair. It tells you a lot about the hair. It shows like some ratings and things like that over here. So just a nice cute little pamphlet that you can use. Also, other YouTubers that have reviewed their hair, so that's always great. And then of course it came with this bag, so once I'm done with my wig, I can just store my wig in here, and that is perfect for me. Okay, so one thing that I thought was a little bit weird with this hair is the bundles. Okay, so when I was unraveling the bundles were really full, by the way. I really did like that, because it's always about getting your money's worth. Also, the bundle was full from like the beginning of the bundle to the end. The frontal, however, was a little bit on the thin side, and I feel like it could have been thicker. Also, I kind of like my frontal to go back a little bit more. I think because it is blonde and it's shorter, it's not as full. I wish that the frontal was fuller and like true to size, because I don't know if this was exactly 13 by 4. I feel like it was like 13 by 4 by 2 by 2, so it was like 2 inches on the side, 4 in the middle, and I would have preferred to have a little bit more room for lace so that I can do a little bit more with my hair. That's just my own personal thing, but yeah, I definitely wish the frontal was a little bit fuller. The other thing was that the frontal, since the frontal wasn't full and it was low-key thin, you kind of can't wear your hair in any kind of way without like doing something to like cover up your tracks, because like since it's blonde hair, it's easier to see through the tracks. Like if you have like black thread or something like that, it's a lot easier to see, and I only use black nylon thread. The other thing that I wanted to mention with the actual bundles is that it was almost as if there was some kind of like something sticky was on the bundles, so like all the bundles were like sticking together. I really personally didn't like that. And until next time, bye.